The Rice Butterfly Memorial was named as a historical landmark, and I want to look at the design. I was recently accepted into the North Carolina Artist Directory, which makes me eligible for different public artwork commissions. So I want to talk more about public art pieces. I found a really good breakdown of the different elements of the memorial design. And I'm going to go back and forth between this, the larger blown out actual image of the memorial, and then some of the small details that are within this larger memorial. So as you can see, one of the impactful designs of this particular memorial is the aerial view of the memorial. You can see that this design clearly replicates a butterfly. Some of the other elements to the memorial includes a butterfly garden. And this is more of what that actually looks like when you are on the premises, in at the memorial. This is what the butterfly garden actually looks like. One other detail that I really love about the memorial, they don't have this identified, but can you see these little colored pieces that are on the paver path? These are actual butterflies. Let me show you what that actually looks like. So these are the kind of concrete pieces that are those butterfly designs that are really pretty. And then this is what they look like when you are actually standing in the memorial. I think those details add such a nice and interactive element to the memorial. The other element that was a part of the memorial was this plaque that is kind of right in the center of the paver path. Let me show you what that looks like in person. This is what that plaque looks like when you are actually standing on that paver path. And again, here is the kind of aerial view of what this looks like, what the memorial looks like. And here's the plaque. Here are those butterfly details that we were just talking about. There's butterfly details up there as well. The next thing that is included in the memorial are these. They label them as community-made concrete pillars. I was having a difficult time with seeing actual pictures of what these look like. Let me show you why. So here you can see this is what the memorial looked like before it was turned into the butterfly memorial. These pillars were kind of around the gazebo where Tamir Rice was shot. These pillars, I'm not sure if these had any color to them before his untimely passing, but it looks like these pillars were painted, after the shooting. And then now they are like these these kind of wooden pillars that go all the way around the memorial, but they aren't painted anymore. So I love this memorial. I love the design of it. I think the flow is really beautiful as well. It gives off like a meditative, a contemplative kind of flow to it. One where you could walk through this paver path again around or on top of these really pretty butterfly elements. You can stop in the middle and read the plaque dedication, right? Let me know in the comments what you think about this memorial. And let me know where you're from, if there are any memorials or other public artworks that you enjoy interacting with.